Hey everybody, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. I got this cute little cup here, free from a neighbor, who said that they were going to throw it away because they figured nobody would buy it at the Rummage sale. So what I'm going to do is put a few succulents in it, let it grow for a few weeks, and then show you guys how that's done. How you can turn little knickknacks like this into cute pots and planters for succulents. And this is, I'll show you my finger. Here's my thumb, just for reference of size. It's a really, really small little cup here. And we're going to place probably, I would say about 3, maybe 4 if I can fit them in there, succulents of different varieties, and show you what it looks like before and after. So we're going to take a few cuttings right now and place them in there and let them grow for a few weeks so they're well established. This is the bed that we'll be taking cuttings from. We have all sorts of varieties that we have just kind of thrown in here and let grow. So we're going to cut a couple of these out and put them into that planter. Alright, so here's where the succulents are going to grow. I have them under this new LED light that we've yet to review on the channel, but that's coming. I am going to test out the effects of it on these succulents and then this plant here too. I think it'll do great in these succulents and getting them rooted and started and well established. I'll keep you guys updated later on in this video as to how these succulents are growing and how they're establishing under this new light. Alright, I am back with the succulents here that we've had growing in this cup. It's been about a month. They're growing just a little bit. You can see a little bit of growth. I didn't expect to see too much on there. But they're starting to shoot out roots and everything, which is a great sign, and they're doing well. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about how to take care of this while I'm making this video. So those of you who might not have seen some of my other videos will get the knowledge on how to do so. You're going to water this very, very minimally. Maybe about a couple teaspoons every 2 weeks would be plenty, because there is no drain hole in this container and it's a very small container as well. You want to keep that soil pretty dang dry. You can use just like a medicine dropper or something like that and put the water right at the base if that's possible, and make sure you provide as adequate of lighting as you can for them. Being young, it's still very important that they get that, because it's going to make sure that they stay compact and don't etulate and reach out for some light. I don't know what else to say. Just very minimal water. If you start to see any signs of rot or anything, it's probably because you're overwatering. Please adjust and then see how they react from there. I'll probably get this back to the neighbor real soon here. Once I'm not able to pull the succulents from the dirt without pulling some dirt out, that's when I'll give it back to her, because I'm certain at that point that they'll be ready to grow in a new environment and with different care as well. They're not just going to die right away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.